Once upon a time, in a magnificent kingdom, there lived a wise and powerful king. The king possessed a special gold wristwatch, adorned with precious gems and infused with sentimental value. It was not just an ordinary timepiece, it held a significant place in the king's heart. One unfortunate day, the king misplaced his cherished watch within the confines of his grand chamber. Filled with dismay, the king searched tirelessly for his beloved watch. He scoured every nook and cranny, turning the room upside down in his desperate pursuit. Alas, despite his best efforts, the watch remained elusive, leaving the king perplexed and disheartened. Determined to recover his prized possession, the king summoned all his faithful palace servants and made them an enticing offer. He declared that whoever could locate his gold wristwatch would be rewarded with a grand prize, one that would forever change their lives. Excitement stirred among the servants as they eagerly accepted the challenge. Motivated by both the promise of a life-altering reward and the opportunity to please their beloved king, the servants embarked on a frenzied search, leaving no stone unturned. They combed through every inch of the chamber, overturning furniture, inspecting every corner, and meticulously inspecting the room's elaborate decorations. Hours after hours, they tirelessly scoured, hoping to be the one to unravel the mystery and claim the reward. As time wore on, the servants began to get tired and exhausted. Their bodies grew weary, and their spirits damped with each passing moment. It seemed that the golden wristwatch was destined to remain hidden, a frustrating enigma that defied their collective efforts. Observing his exhausted servants, the king realized the toll the search has taken on their well-being. Moved by compassion, he called off the search, urging his weary servants to rest and restore their strength. But the king, longing for his treasured wristwatch, remained unabated. In a sudden moment of clarity, the king's thought turned to a renowned monk dwelling within the kingdom, a sage known for his profound wisdom and ability to perceive hidden truths. He decided to seek the monk's counsel, hopeful that the monk's unique insight would shed light on the whereabouts of the elusive wristwatch. The king sent for the grand monk, and upon his arrival, he explained the predicament he faced. He recounted his futile search and expressed his unwavering belief that the watch was still within the confines of his chamber, yet hidden beyond his comprehension. The monk listened intently to the king's tale. His serene countenance reflects deep contemplation. With a smile, he requested permission to enter the chamber in search of the lost wristwatch. In truth and filled with anticipation, the king granted the monk's request, eager to witness the monk's extraordinary wisdom in action. Entering the chamber, the monk closed the door behind him. Enveloping himself in the stillness of the room, he moved with deliberate grace, his steps marked by a tranquil presence. Time seemed to stand still as the monk immersed himself in a silent introspection. As the minutes ticked by, an era of mystery surrounded the chamber. Finally, the monk emerged, his eyes shining with a gentle glow, and in his hand he cradled the king's golden wristwatch. The king stood in awe, amazed by the monk's swift success. Curiosity consumed the king, and he implored the monk to reveal the secret behind his trump. The monk's response was profound yet simple. He explained that it was through the power of silence that he was able to hear the faint rhythmic tick of the watch, a sound drowned out by the clamor and urgency of the search. The king marveled at the monk's wisdom, recognizing the profound lesson hidden within the monk's silence. It wasn't through sheer force or relentless pursuit that the wristwatch was found, but through stillness and attunement to the subtle whispers of existence. So my dear friends, you see, in your life, the power of silence can help you discover your true destiny and uncover hidden truths. Practice the power of silence today and see great changes in your life.